Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute. Glad you could make it. And today's episode is brought to you by Redis, the real-time data platform.
The world is real time. Your customers expect your apps to be real time. To thrive, your data layer needs revolution, not evolution. With a database that's as fast as your caching system and a caching system that's as persistent as your database. This is Redis, where simply storing and processing is table stakes, but harnessing the power of data in real time, that's the future. Built for speed, built for real-time apps. Redis, the real-time data platform.
So, more craziness going on in the world of the cloud. And it isn't just the traditional cloud vendors making the news today in the Cloud Wars. It's an entirely new wave of cloud vendors who are both customers and now they're also creators of cloud technology. The latest to join the fold here is Ford Motor, which is going to offer some online paperwork services, documents for small business people. They don't even have to, these small business targets of this new service from Ford don't even have to be Ford truck or car owners. They can be any sort of small business people, but probably with a tendency toward thinking about or possibly wanting to buy a truck for their small business, repair shops, contractors, and so forth. We saw recently, and that software for Ford is brought by Salesforce. So a combination of Ford and Salesforce there. A month or so ago, we saw Salesforce and Rocket Mortgage team up. And again, one of those cases where you can ask, is Rocket Mortgage getting into the cloud business? Is Salesforce getting into the mortgage business, right? It's a little bit of both in a very different world that does not align to the patterns of how business was done in the past. Earlier this week with AWS, we saw that Goldman Sachs, 158-year-old Wall Street investment firm, has now set up a cloud business with specifically having cloud in the name of this new business to offer Goldman data to other investment firms that they can use and analyze using AWS technology. So it's just a very, very different sort of world here. I think that's fascinating what's going on here. Somebody else I wanted to mention too from last a year or so ago, Honeywell, which a big maker of industrial and automation equipment, has been selling now for 12, 15 months cloud solutions called Honeywell Forge. So we see more and more of this happening, and it is very much sort of a reprise of what I talked about recently here, this combination of industry-specific clouds and capabilities that are being created by the customers working with technology companies, an entirely new generation, new set of capabilities. And I think for as many of these sort of intriguing little moves into this market that we're seeing, I think it's just at the very beginning. I think this is going to give us quite a look into the future here of what this new world of business technology is going to be about, where the customer companies are going to become creators and providers of specialized cloud applications, technologies, and services. And the best and the smartest and the most forward-looking traditional cloud providers are going to be the ones that most aggressively do this as part of their forays into creating industry-specific solutions and capabilities. Very exciting time, lots of fun going on here. Thanks for being with us here at Cloud Wars Minute. Hope you have a fantastic day.